Imagine this. You've got a big meeting or a spontaneous night out and you're running late. 5 minutes to get ready. Instead of panic, you pull out a killer outfit, throw it on, and walk out the door looking like you spent hours planning it. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm breaking down the style hacks that make looking sharp easy, even when life gets hectic. These tricks will have you turning heads wherever you go. No stress, no second guessing. Because here's the truth, guys. Effortless style isn't just about what you wear. It's about owning your look like it was made for you. Welcome to Man Glow Up, where style meets simplicity and effortless becomes your signature. If you're like me, your schedule's packed and fashion isn't always the first thing on your mind. But the good news? Looking good doesn't have to take hours or a massive wardrobe. In today's video, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to effortless style. Timeless tips that keep you looking sharp no matter how crazy your day gets. Ready? Let's get started. Let's face it, we're all busy. Whether it's work, family, or the gym, we've got a million things to manage. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when it comes to dressing well, especially when time is short. You might even feel like fashion isn't worth the stress. But here's the thing. Style doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In fact, there are a few simple, effective hacks that can have you looking put together with minimal effort. No more guessing games or wasted time in front of the closet. Let's dive into these style shortcuts. Here's a pro tip. Develop your own style uniform. This is the foundation of effortless dressing. It's a combination of outfits that you know look great on you, no matter what the occasion. For some, it might be a pair of fitted dark jeans and a rotation of simple, high-quality t-shirts. For others, it could be tailored chinos with a button-up shirt. Find what works for you and stick to it. This consistency makes getting dressed a breeze. Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg are well known for simplifying their wardrobes with a uniform approach, a strategy that not only streamlined their daily routines, but also boosted their productivity. Jobs famously stuck to a uniform of black turtlenecks, blue jeans, and sneakers. This minimalistic approach was rooted in the idea of reducing decision fatigue, a psychological phenomenon where making too many decisions throughout the day depletes mental energy. By eliminating the need to think about clothing choices, Jobs could reserve his mental bandwidth for more critical decisions. Similarly, Zuckerberg has often been seen in his signature grey t-shirts. He once explained that wearing the same type of clothes every day helps him focus on more important tasks and decisions. The underlying principle is that by removing trivial choices, like what to wear, high achievers like Zuckerberg and Jobs could channel their energy into innovation and leadership. By adopting a personal uniform, you not only simplify your style, but also free up mental space for bigger, more important aspects of your life. Whether that's business, personal development, or creative endeavors. Let's talk texture. Mixing different fabrics is one of the easiest ways to add depth and make your outfit look intentional. For instance, if you're wearing a basic cotton shirt, throw on a leather jacket or wool coat. That contrast in fabrics not only adds visual interest, but also makes it look like you spent more time on your outfit than you did. Imagine pairing a rich wool sweater with suede shoes or a crisp button-down shirt with a tweed blazer. These subtle differences create a sophisticated, stylish look with minimal effort. Layering is your secret weapon. It's practical, sure, but it's also a great way to add dimension to your outfit. Start with a fitted t-shirt or button-down, then throw on a light jacket or blazer. If the weather calls for it, add a scarf or overshirt. Remember, each layer should be visible, adding to the overall look. Try this. Start with a neutral base layer, like a white t-shirt, add a grey hoodie, and top it off with a black bomber jacket. This gives you an edgy, urban look without going overboard. Here's a hard truth. You can have the nicest clothes in the world, but if they don't fit properly, they won't do you any favors. Always prioritize fit. Well-fitted clothes make any outfit look polished. Your shirts should fit snug at the shoulders, and your pants should be tailored to sit at your natural waist without bunching. Invest in pieces that fit you, and if necessary, get them tailored. A minor adjustment to the sleeves of a jacket or the length of your pants can make a world of difference. Never underestimate the power of shoes. Your footwear can make or break your entire look. But here's the thing, you don't need dozens of options. Just a few versatile pairs, like white sneakers, Chelsea boots, and leather loafers, will cover all your bases. According to a study, people form an impression of your personality within 7 seconds of meeting you. And your shoes are one of the first things they notice. So make sure you're putting your best foot forward. Accessories are where your personality can really shine. A classic watch, A simple bracelet or a sleek belt can elevate any outfit. But the key here is to keep it minimal. Don't overdo it. Think of accessories like the exclamation point to your outfit. They should enhance, not overpower. When it comes to accessories, sticking with timeless pieces is a smart move that ensures you'll always look stylish, no matter the trends. Take, for example, a leather strap watch. Whether you're dressed up or down, it adds a classic touch that can elevate any outfit. Similarly, aviator sunglasses have been a staple of cool for decades. First popularized by military pilots and then by fashion icons and movie stars, aviators continue to hold their appeal because of their sleek, versatile design. By investing in these timeless accessories, you not only enhance your look, but also ensure that your style remains relevant year after year. Finally, grooming, an often overlooked but critical part of your style. Whether you're rocking a beard or going clean-shaven, make sure your grooming is on point. A sharp haircut or well-maintained beard can pull your whole look together. And don't sleep on skincare. A fresh, clean face makes a bigger difference than you might think. Let's see it all in action. Before, you've got the rushed, stressed-out version. No plan, no coordination. After, you've got a sharp, put-together look that screams confidence. With just a few tweaks, textures, layers, fit, and accessories, you've completely upgraded your style in under 10 minutes. Research has shown that dressing well can significantly impact not only how others perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself. According to a study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, individuals who dressed in more formal attire felt more powerful, confident, and performed better in cognitive tasks compared to those who dressed casually. The study demonstrated that clothing affects both self-perception and how individuals are treated in professional settings, leading to higher productivity and more positive outcomes. Additionally, researchers from Columbia University found that participants who dressed formally were more likely to think abstractly and strategically, which are key skills in leadership and high-stakes decision-making. This reinforces the idea that dressing well doesn't just influence outward appearances, but also sharpens mental processes. So there you have it, effortless style hacks for busy men in 2024. These tips are designed to work with your busy lifestyle, making it easy to look polished without spending hours in front of the mirror. Remember, fashion should work for you, not the other way around. If you enjoyed these tips and want more style advice tailored to the modern man, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Man Glow Up. Let's keep this conversation going. What's your go-to style hack? Drop it in the comments below and let's see who's got the best tip. Until next time, stay sharp, stay confident, and keep glowing up.